Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. So, have you been hearing about Gemini Gems and thinking, okay, that sounds cool, but what even is that? Don't worry, you're not alone. A lot of people are in the same boat, and that's exactly why I'm making this video. By the end of this, you're going to know what Gemini Gems are, how to build one from scratch, and why they're actually super useful in your day-to-day life. And I promise, it's way easier than it sounds. Alright, let's get into it. So first things first, what even is a gem? Think of it this way. You know how every time you open a regular AI chat, you have to re-explain yourself? Like, hey, I'm a student. I need simple explanations. Keep it short. And you have to type that out every single time. Super annoying, right? Well, Gems fix that. A Gemini Gem is basically your own personalized version of Google Gemini. You give it a set of instructions once. Tell it who you are, what you need, how you want it to behave, and it remembers all of that every single time you chat with it. Here's a simple example. Let's say you're a student, and you always need help breaking down complicated topics into simple, easy to understand language. Instead of explaining that every time, you just create a gem called something like Study Buddy. Give it those instructions once, and boom, every time you open that gem, it already knows exactly how to help you. Now, gems work on both the Gemini website and the mobile app, and they sync automatically between the two, which is super handy. You can use them with your regular personal Google account as long as you're 13 or older. And they also work with Google Workspace if you're using Gemini for work or school. So now you know what a gem is. Let's actually go ahead and build one. First, go to gemini.google.com and log into your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see this little hamburger icon up here. Go ahead and click that to expand the side menu. In that menu, you'll see the Gems icon. Click on that. This is going to open up the Gems screen. Now here, the first thing you'll notice is a section showing gems that have already been created by Google Labs. These are pre-built ones you can use right away. But we're going to scroll past those because we're here to build our own. Scroll down a little, and you'll see a blue button that says New Gem. Go ahead and click that. Now when you click that, it's going to open up what I like to call the Gem Builder. And it's got this nice split screen layout. On the left side, that's where you build your gem and enter all your instructions. And on the right side, you've got a preview panel, so you can actually chat with your gem as you're building it and test how it's coming along. Really handy. Okay, so let's start filling things in. First up, you've got the name field. Just give your gem a clear, descriptive name, so you know exactly what it does when you see it in your list. For this video, I'm going to create a personal life organizer gem, basically a little AI assistant to help me stay on top of my day-to-day life. So I'm going to type in Personal Life Organizer. Next, there's a description field. This is just a short summary of what your gem does. Think of it like a little label for yourself. For mine, I'll put something like, helps manage my daily life, tasks, goals, reminders, routines, and personal planning in one place. Okay, now we get to the fun part, the instructions field. This is the heart of your gem. This is where you tell it exactly how you want it to behave, what it should focus on, the tone it should use, all of that good stuff. Now I know you no idea what to write here, and honestly, that's totally fine. Here's a little tip. Just open up ChatGPT or even another Gemini chat and ask it to write instructions for your gem. Just say something like, write instructions for a Gemini gem that acts as a personal life organizer, and it'll give you a solid starting point. Then you just copy, paste, and tweak it to suit you. Now, if you have any extra files you want your gem to reference, just click the Add Files icon. It looks like a little plus sign, and upload whatever you need. This is totally optional, so don't stress if you don't have anything to add right now. You can always come back and update your gem later. And finally, once you're happy with everything, just hit save. That's it. Your gem is live and ready to use. How easy was that? Alright, so now that we've built our gem, let's actually use it. You'll now see your personal life organizer sitting in your gems list. Go ahead and click on it. Now you just start chatting. For example, I could type something like, "Help me plan my week. I have a dentist appointment on Tuesday, and I need to finish a work report by Thursday." And watch how it responds. It's already in organizer mode. It's not going to give me some generic response. It's going to respond the way we told it to. That's the magic of gems. Okay, so before we wrap up, let me quickly run you through why gems are actually worth your time. First, no more repeating yourself. You set your instructions once, and your gem remembers them forever. Second, it saves you a ton of time. Instead of spending the first few messages just setting things up, you jump straight into getting things done. Third, you can have multiple gems for different areas of your life. One for work, one for study, one for personal stuff. Each one tailored exactly for that purpose. And finally, it's completely free to use with your regular Google account. No fancy subscription needed to get started. Alright, that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this helpful, smash that like button. And if you want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe. I drop new content regularly, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I read every single one. I'll see you in the next one.